Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol IPIX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame, and it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis on Friday, so that's where the green line down here is coming from. And after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made. First thing I'm going to do is just make a little adjustment here and move this green line up. Now, yes, this green line down here still does pertain to the chart. It's just not really relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's clutter with lines everywhere. So I want to just try to keep this as clean as possible. So one of the newest areas that has been established after today is what I would call the ideal level of support. And that would be right up there at 52 cents. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 52, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can somehow manage to stay up above 52, that would definitely be a huge sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from a bigger picture point of view, that's where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet extremely efficient way to judge the health of the move. This right here being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that. Again, yeah, staying above 52 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? As it stands right now, pretty straightforward. Party stopped today up there at the 64-cent mark. So 64 cents going to be public enemy number one. But, I don't want to say resistance levels don't matter because they do, but they also don't in situations like this. What do I mean by situations like this? Well, as long as the price keeps on doing what it's been doing in terms of building higher bases, and you picture these as stair steps, then over time, the overall chart will continue to take care of itself, and that includes breaking levels of resistance. So focus on building higher lows and then just sit back and let the trend do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.